Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products here to talk to you today about our crankcase breather repair kits. Crankcase pressure rises and falls in every vehicle engine. In the old days, the road draft tube was used to release the mix of blow-by gases and oily mist to the atmosphere, and that system hung around on diesels far longer than it did on gassers. Pretty obviously, it's not exactly great for the planet. Eventually, vehicles were equipped with recovery systems to feed the mist back into the engine intake. You may be familiar with Catcan, which helped to condense the oil in a separate area and minimize the amount making its way into the combustion chamber. Due to high compression pressures in a diesel, they're almost twice what a gasser faces. There's a lot of blow-by and oil being put through the crankcase vent system. Enter this fella, centrifugal separator. These things are cool. Inside of these are a bunch of discs that spin up to 9,000 RPM. As they spin, the droplets on the disc start to collect and move to the edge of the discs. This thing is basically acting as a mini centrifuge. The discs fling those drops of oil and carbon out onto the walls of the housing where they cool, they run down, and they're taken back into the sump to be put back into service. Now you'll find these on quite a few vehicles, either on the block or mounted remotely. We've got them for Mack and Volvo trucks, but as you may have found, they're not always in stock, and they're often sold as part of a complete assembly, including a lower aluminum housing, which can cost quite a bit more. It might also be a bit more labor intensive to swap out. Now these separators may crack or clog, and because of the high speeds at which they're spinning, sometimes the bearings give up the ghost too. So we sell these breather repair kits. Rather than replace the entire piece, we sell just the complete rotating assembly with a fresh gasket to save time, money, and service aggravation. The swap is simple. You disconnect the hoses on your old unit, remove the separator assembly, clean up that base, replace the seal, which we include in the kits, and then replace the assembly and hook up all the hoses. You're done fast and get the truck back up and into service. We hope you like this new solution. Remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on crankcase breather repair kits. I'm Len. I'm out of here.